Nobody warned you. Nobody warned you how much it would hurt to try your absolute best and still fail. Nobody warned you that the people you look up to, the ones whose posters are on your wall, won't be there when you need them the most. They all gave you the same simple advice. Work hard and you'll make it. But what they conveniently left out was how incredibly lonely that road to making it really is. No one told you about the days, the weeks, sometimes even the months, where you'd be staring at the ceiling, asking yourself, is any of this even worth it? Those days are the worst. Days with zero results to show for your effort, no applause, no pats on the back. It's just you, alone wrestling with your own suffocating doubt. Nobody warned you that real progress is painfully slow. So slow that, most of the time, it's completely invisible. It's frustrating. You put in months of dedicated work, sacrificing sleep, social events, and simple pleasures. And on the surface, absolutely nothing seems to change. It feels like you're screaming into a void, running on a treadmill that's going nowhere. You see others succeeding, getting their wins, and you start to wonder, what am I doing wrong? Am I just not cut out for this? The silence in those moments is deafening. It's the kind of silence that amplifies every insecurity, every fear you've ever had. But here's the secret. Here's the part they never told you. Because most people never get this far, this place of pain, of long lenses of frustration. This is where the real work is done. This is where champions are forged. It's in these moments, when everyone else with the same dream decides it's too hard and quits. It's in the quiet hours when nobody is watching, nobody is cheering you on, and the initial fire of motivation has long since burned out. This is when the only thing you have left is discipline. Motivation is a feeling, a fleeting spark. It's great for getting started, but it will abandon you. Discipline, on the other hand, is a choice. It's the commitment you made to yourself when you were inspired. It's showing up when you don't feel like it. It's doing the work when it feels pointless. It's pushing through the pain when your body and mind are screaming at you to stop. If you can survive this part, this brutal, isolating, unglamorous part that nobody ever talks about in their success stories, you're already miles ahead of most people. You're not weak because it feels hard. It feels hard because you chose to do something different. You chose to chase a dream that requires more than the average person is willing to give. You chose the path of growth, and growth is never, ever comfortable. Think about it. The people who achieve extraordinary things aren't superhuman. They just have an extraordinary ability to endure the mundane, to tolerate the discomfort, and to keep going when all signs point to give up. They understand that the big breakthroughs are just the visible peak of a mountain made of thousands of tiny, unseen, and often frustrating efforts. Every single day you choose to show up, you are laying another brick in the foundation of your future success. Nobody warned you about the pain, the loneliness, the doubt, but now you know. You know that this is part of the process. It's not a sign that you're failing. It's a sign that you're in the game. It's the price of admission for a life less ordinary. So the question isn't whether it will hurt again. It will. The question isn't whether you'll doubt yourself again. You will. The real question is, now that you know what's required, now that you know this is the very place where greatness is earned, will you continue or will you quit? The choice is yours. Keep going. Thanks for watching. If this resonated with you, consider subscribing for more content to fuel your journey. We'll see you in the next one.